elephant, big and strong. F is for fish that swims along. G is for grapes, purple and sweet. H is for horse with happy feet. Sing along and you will see. Letters make words so easily.
I is for igloo, cold as ice.
J is for jelly, wobbly and nice.
K is for kite that soars up high.
L is for lion, king of the sky. Sing along and you will see. Letters make words so easily. M is for monkey climbing a tree. N is for nest where birds love to be. O is for octopus wiggly and round. P is for parrot making a sound. Sing along and you will see. Letters make words so easily. Q is for queen wearing her crown. R is for rainbow high up and down. S is for sun shining so bright. T is for train chugging all night. Sing along and you will see. Letters make words so easily.
U is for umbrella, keeping us dry. V is for violin, playing nearby. W is for whale, big and blue. X is for xylophone, playing a tune.
Y is for yak, furry and tall. Z is for zebra, stripes and all. Now we've learned our ABCs. Sing again and learn with me.